People are claiming to make money just by watching Facebook videos. Even a friend of mine in Kenya actually earned this amount you are seeing on this screen, and he even taught me how you are going to go through the process, and that is why I am making this video. So I want you to follow me. Let's dive in on how you are going to make money just by watching Facebook videos. But before I show you, I want you to go into the comment section like usual. Go inside there and tell me which country you are watching right now, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So without any further ado, let me show you this process. You can actually earn money just by watching Facebook videos. Okay, so come with me, let's dive straight in right now. Now I want to show you something. If you look at this particular interface, if you get people that is watching from United States, you'll be able to earn $12 per 1,000 views. Yes, and again, if you also get people that is watching from Canada, you will also get $10,000 per 1,000 views. The same thing as people that is watching from South Africa, you actually get $6 per 1,000 views. So, and if you actually get people that is watching from Nigeria, you actually get $3 per 1,000 views. So depending on the country that each viewers are watching from, for 1,000 views you will be able to earn the amount of that earning rate of that particular country. So let us dive into what you are going to do so that you start earning money just from watching Facebook videos. So the first thing you are going to do is download Facebook. Now after you have finished downloading your Facebook, as you can see my own right here, now click on your Facebook. Once you click on your Facebook, you come over to this search icon. Yes, this search icon. Now I want you to type this particular thing, education. Yes, you can also use financial videos, you can also use investment videos, but for me, what I actually use in testing this particular video is education. As you can see it right here, I've already used education while I was trying this particular method before making this particular video. So click on the education. Once you click on the education, then you start looking for videos that are under education. I mean videos that have high views. Okay, now it's not only video that have high views. You make sure that the video doesn't contain minors. Now let me look for a particular video that actually have maybe around 20k views or a million views. Okay, now let's see the video will capture here. Now once you click on this particular one, now what you are going to do is click on this share icon. Once you click on this share icon, what we are going to do is to copy the link of that particular video. Remember, you can use investment video, you can use financial videos, you can use any video, but make sure that that video is worth it, like it will get you that views. Okay, so now once you have selected, you copy the link. Yes, you click on copy. Now once you click on copy, now I'm going to give you a website where you are going to paste this link. Now watch right now. So now I want you to head over to your browser or your Firefox or your Google, but for me I'll use my Google. So once you come over to any of your search engine or any of your browser, I want you to type this FCRC. Once you type it, you click on the search. Now once you click on the search, now this particular website is where we are going to be pasting the link we just copied from that Facebook reel, where you copy that Facebook reel. So now this is the FCRC website. You click on it. Now once you click on it, to bring you to this interface. Now but before we use this particular interface, we'll have to sign up. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to sign up so that you start earning. Once you look down here, you will see join now and earn on every link you shorten, up to $100 per per 1,000 views. That means this particular site will enable us to shorten that Facebook link so that it will fit into this website format, so that we can use it and do whatever I'll be showing you in this video, and you will start earning from Facebook. Okay, so now all we have to do is to sign up now. But before I show you how you are going to sign up, I want you to click on this three icon. Okay, once you click on this three icon, then you are going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, then this is where you are going to register an account, put your name. So but for me, I'll only advise you to use your Google. So click on this Google. So once you click on this Google, it will now process. Then you now have to input your Google. Okay, so let's wait for the Google to accept us. Click on continue. Okay, so while we are watching for it, do it to like this video and tell me where you are watching from. Right after you have successfully created your account, this is what is going to bring you. I'm going to show you something now. Did you see all these things you are seeing right here now? All these things you are seeing right here now are where you'll be seeing your total earnings. Yes, where you'll be seeing your views. Now the first one say total views. Now this is where you are going to be seeing all your views for the whole month. Now this total earnings is for all your total earnings. This is where you'll be seeing it. Then this one is referral earnings. Then this one is average CPM. Okay, now what we are going to do is come over here. Yes, you see this particular place that they write your URL here. Now this is where we are going to paste the link. That link we just copied, you just copy from Facebook. Okay, now once you paste it, now you are going to click on this shorten. Yes, it will now shorten this link into a smaller format. Now let me tell you an interesting thing. Anybody that watch your video through this link that will be shortened, you have the tendency of making a lot of money. Like you will make more money. That means anybody that walk through this link, anybody that click on this shortener link, you're going to make more money. Okay, once it has shortened the link, all you have to do is to click on this second one. Yes, it's not this first one. No. Click on this second one that says shorten link for Facebook. Now click on this copied link. Click on this icon, copied. Then you have copied the link. Now let me show you another platform that you are going to do the final results. Now I want you to come back to your Chrome. Once you come back to your Chrome or your Google or your Firefox, I want you to type on Nairaland. So once you type on the Nairaland, now this is their website, their platform. Click on it. Now once you click on it, it will not take you to their website. Once it take you to their website, now when you look at this particular place, this particular site, you will see different type of niches. Okay, now you are going to choose that particular one that you are interested in, like that particular one you wanted to post. Okay, now but because I choose education, I'll have to click on education. Now once you click on education, then it will bring you to this interface. Now you are going to see different type of categories in education. So I want you to come over here. I want you to now click on this create topic. Yes, can you see this create topic? Click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now I want you to know something. If you make any mistake in this particular site, you're not going to earn your dollar. Okay, so you need to be very careful with everything you will be doing here. That is, if the other website didn't work for you in your country, like if it didn't get you paid, then you can try this Nairaland. Okay, now you can see here they say new topic, education, Nairaland forum. Okay, that is because I'm using education on this particular platform. Now all these things you are seeing here are their rules. Yes, these are the rules you need to observe. Okay, so if you have your time, you can go through it. Okay, now once you are reading it, I want you to come down here. You see this place, the right subject. This is where you are going to put the title of that particular video. Okay, let's say let me just put something for the sake of this tutorial. Let's say this video is about mathematics solution. Okay, now let's say the title of this video is mathematics solution, but that is if only that particular video is all about mathematics. Okay, now you put the subject of that particular video, that is the title. Okay, now after you have finished putting it, you come over here. Now this is where this particular empty blank space is where you are going to describe what that particular video is all about. Okay, now since this particular video from the subject I talked about mathematics solution, now I can say this is the best thing users should know about mathematics. Okay, so now once you have put in a short, you can also write a detailed description about what that video is all about. So once you have finished putting the description, and you have to add the link. Yes, you paste the link, like that shortener link that you gotten from that platform. Okay, now you come down here. Now before we click on submit, I want you to come over here. You see this place that they say no file chosen, choose file. Click on this choose file. Make sure that you choose that thing that is related to that video. Okay, this is where you are going to click it. Once you have clicked it, it will take you to your gallery. Then you now select the file that is related to that video. Okay, so now once you have selected, you click on this submit. Now once you click on submit, then once you submit it, the link has been submitted to this particular Nairaland forum. And the beautiful part is that anybody that click on that link is going to watch your videos, and you know that once you gain about 10,000 views, then you can earn about $100 depending on the country the audience is watching from. Okay, now let me show you something where you are going to check your total views and your earning. So I want you to come to your Google and retype this FCRC. Yes, I want you to come over and see it. Now once you come over to this FCRC, you can say that join now and earn on every link you shorten. That means everybody that click on that link is going to give you a chance to earn, and you are going to earn up to $100 per 1,000 views. Now can you see the reason why this shortener link is very useful to us? And now for you to check your earnings, you click on this tray icon, click on this dashboard. Once you click on your dashboard, now this is where you are going to see all your earnings. This is where you are going to see your total views, your total earnings, your referral earnings, your average CPM. So this is how we are going to be making money just by watching Facebook videos. Okay, so if this is what you would try, or something that worth your time, don't wait to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comment section where you are watching from, and also drop your country flag. Okay, then if you have any question regarding to this in the comment section, do wait to drop it for us. And thank you. I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.